Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Land Rover remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this cover here to gain access to the battery. We do so by getting our flat-headed screwdriver like this one, and just at the back of the fob, down at the bottom just there, you can see there's a small indentation where there's just enough room to put the blade of the screwdriver in and give it a twist, which releases the two halves of the cover. Like so. Now we just need to prise the battery from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing. On this particular fob, we make sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case, we just line it all up, and we click it back together, and there you go, it's all done.